have the data sets. Okay. Now, what are the total sales guys here? Total sales is 2.3 million. Okay. So what we can do is we can just show the exact number here. So here, let's go to the formatting, data labels. In display units, let us choose none. So that the okay, general, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll update this data, okay, and let us see after refreshing if this gets changed or not. So we have this Excel file. Okay. So R column is the sales value. So what we'll do is we'll update one sales value. Okay. So this is in the region, South region. Okay. We'll update. Then we'll try to refresh it. Is it okay, guys? In order to track it, we can also create another region. Yeah, here we'll see region wise sales. Okay, so we have this region wise sales. Now in the southern region, we'll add say 2 million. Okay, let's just add 2 million. Okay, we have added 2 million. Yeah, okay, and let's press enter. So here what we will do is we will save this file. Okay, okay, this file got saved, and now what we need to do is we need to refresh it. Okay, so here it is showing 2.3 million, and in the last also region wise sales it was showing 3,91,000. Okay, now what we will do is we will refresh the data. So let us see what happens. Okay, so data is getting refreshed. You can see the total sales and southern sales. You can see it is getting updated now. Okay, it got updated. Are you able to see the change here? So earlier it was 3,91,721. Now it got changed to, since we have added 2 million, it got changed to 23,91,721. Okay. So the overall total also increased from 22,97,200 to 42,97,200. Okay. So this is the purpose of refreshing the data. Okay. Now let us see it in the gauge chart also. So you can see here, now it is increased to 4.3 million. Earlier it was 2.3 million, isn't it? Now what we'll do is we'll try to refresh the data in the Power BI service. Okay. And let us see if here in the file settings. Here. Workspaces, yeah, in the data set we need to refresh. Sales DB demo. So here you can refresh now. Okay. So just select refresh now. Okay, now it is getting updated. So earlier time was 117. So guys, have you seen these things? Time change now. Update refresh time. Okay. Now let us see in the dashboard if there is any change in the dashboard or in the visualization. Or are you able to see the change here? And also, I think alert has come since we have set the alert for 3 million. Okay, the sales got increased everywhere. You can see here. Okay, or 2 million now. So you can see book cases increase like anything. This is from different data sets. So It's not changed. So here also I think it will change. Okay, this is a different, the same data set only, it must have changed. Okay, so this way, when we are connected to the data sets and refresh the data sets, the data gets changed. Okay. Now we can also configure. So we have seen these two. Refresh dataset created from Power BI desktop file in the cloud, and also local we have done. Okay. Now we can also configure a scheduled refresh. Okay. So for scheduling refresh, we need to download and install gateway connection. Okay. So I have already downloaded and installed the gateway connection. So here in the data set, so are you able to see this schedule refresh? Just click on this schedule refresh. So latest refresh that got succeeded is at 248 on this date today. Okay. So you can see gateway connection here. So I have installed a gateway connection, personal gateway connection, okay, which is running on this. So if you want, we can delete this. Okay. So here we have this sample superstore XLS. Okay. So here this is a data set. So here credentials are there. You can give credentials like login details and other things. Okay. So here this is the scheduled refresh. So you can on for a scheduled refresh. Okay. So every 1 hour it will take the frequencies weekly or daily. Are you getting? So you can set any of these frequency. Let's say daily frequency. This is the time, or you can add another time. Okay. So we can have the time at what time we want to refresh the data. So what we will do is we will set it at 3 p.m. Okay. Is it okay, everyone? Now we have another 6 minutes to go. So we will set the time at 3 p.m. for scheduled refresh. Okay. Now let us apply. So updates demo schedule changes have been applied. Okay. Refresh schedule changes have been applied. So now what we will do is we will update another sales data, another data. So here we can mention, let us add 1 more million. Okay, we have added 1 more million, and let me save it. Okay. So let us see after 3 o'clock if it gets changed. Okay. Is it clear? The setting of the refresh, scheduling of the refresh. So here you can also see the alerts. So already we have set an alert. Okay. You can edit it, you can see. Private setting refresh dataset created from Excel workbook local. This is in the Excel workbook. You can refresh the disabling privacy settings. Yeah, privacy settings. So here you can disable this one. Okay. Help your dataset owners by sharing the questions you ask about the data. Microsoft may also use your questions to improve this. So this is disabling.